Now let's turn our attention to the weather we've been seeing today. Chief Meteorologist Jeff Weller is standing by on our weather deck. Jeff?
Yeah, hey Dan, all day today, freezing rain, sleet, and some rain, changing over to all snow tonight. Here are the advisories across the region right now. Included here is a winter storm warning. That's for significant snowfall this evening into early parts of tomorrow morning. In fact, here's the radar. Again, still mixed precipitation on here with that combination of rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. That will continue for a couple more hours, but a surge of moisture is on the way. That's arriving in parts of southern Wisconsin right now. That will change everything over to heavy snow tonight for everybody. In fact, here's a satellite picture showing the entire region. You can see across our area now. Look in the streetlights here in downtown Rhinelander. That glaze of ice is on everything. So we're going to throw heavy snow on top of a glaze of ice. That's going to lead to some very difficult travel conditions tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. In fact, here's that satellite picture showing all that moisture across parts of Illinois. That's all lifting due north into Wisconsin. That will be our heavy snow for us tonight. Okay, so outside now, you saw the picture of downtown Rhinelander. Lots of ice. The trees are weighted down already with more snow on the way. Our forecast then tonight, though, is snow developing heavy at times into tomorrow with low temperatures down near 30. Dan and Jessica.
Thank you, Jeff. Now let's get a check of road conditions in Rhinelander with Matt Weaver. Matt?
Yeah, Dan and Jessica, Jeff wasn't kidding out here. The roads are pretty slick. I had to take it slow with the icy roads on the way in. For those wondering, though, it's still a mixed bag of things out here. Some sleet, some snow, some freezing rain. It's all over the place, as Jeff said. But accumulation is the name of the game tonight, as we're going to get plenty of that going into the overnight hours. 8 to 12 inches expected out here. The Oneida County Highway Department is hard at work cleaning the roads. And from Minocqua to Pelican Lake, they've been out since 6 a.m. this morning and expect to be out for the next 12 to 14 hours.
We've been trying to monitor them throughout the day, get material on the ground to try and stay ahead of any ice that might develop. Yep. The guys are out there, they're doing their best. You know, it takes time, but we just want everyone to get where they're going safely.
Using a mixture of sand, salt, and brine, they say the biggest concern is to get out there ahead of the traffic. They'll be ready to roll when the heavy snowfall comes in.
We try to play it by ear, kind of. That's, you know, we've got guys on all the routes throughout the county, and so we try to stay in contact with them to see what they're seeing, what the roads are doing, what the temperatures are doing.
Other than that, the basic recommendations is to drive safely and leave lights on. Hageman asks people to keep their distance from plow trucks. In fact, at least 200 feet is the law for any highway. As for those conditions out here, that snow is starting to get heavy and wet. Those kids that's perfect for them with their snowballs if they want to make those. But shoveling, not so much. Make sure you're careful with your back, bend with your knees if you're using the shovel. Also, some severe wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour are expected. So that said, power outages are not out of the question. But now, reporting live in the field from downtown Rhinelander, Matt Weaver for Newswatch 12.